All right, guys, what's up? What's going on? So in this video, I ordered a book from a friend, okay, that's doing Amazon KDP. What's up, guys? My name is RJ Martinez, and we are going to review a book, do a book opening in this video, okay? This is exactly how I got the book in the mail. It is not opened at all, okay? So let's get into opening the book, and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. Let's get into it. Okay, let's make sure this book says at the bottom of the cut, so I don't cut the actual book. Boom, cut. Here, going to perfect, huh? Heck yeah. I thought I was gonna be like upside down or so, but there it is. The story of Easter. Wow. Okay, now you can see the front, really awesome. I like the feel of it. It's a matte finish. Look at the back. Look how he did that. Okay, that is freaking amazing. Okay, I like everything. Like the detail, the front of it, the cover. Okay, in the back, it shows inside pictures of the book. If you're unaware, if you do not show the back, on the back of the book, if you don't share, you know, like what's going on the inside, like if you're on mobile ordering a book on your phone, and the customer cannot get the look inside feature unless they go on their desktop. So first things first, that is cool. That's amazing. And he kind of gives an insight of his brand and what's going on, what he's doing in the back end. Okay, then he has his website down below too as well. It's cool. Okay, this is cool. This is a lot. There's a lot going on right here. Now, it's a whole story book, okay? So there's a lot of detail going into this book. So you can tell that he took his time creating this book. So, hey, Drew, props to you. This is freaking awesome. I love it. Good job on this, man. Like, it's just amazing. Okay, it's freaking awesome. I don't know what else to say about it. Like, there's a lot that he took a lot of time to create this book. I'm going to have his book down below in the description. Let's go into the listing and check out the listing. You know, go into all the details and everything that he did with the listing and all that stuff. And I'm excited to check out the listing. Let's go. One quick thing I wanted to point out too. If you go to the very back page, okay, it will tell you where the book was printed. Made in U.S., Las Vegas, Nevada. And when it was printed, 26 March 2022. Okay, this book was shipped it got to me in 2 days. Okay, it was freaking fast. Some books, you know, they get to you in 1 day. And then sometimes, depending the time, it can take anywhere between 3 to 5 business days. But this book got to me in 2 days. Fast. How powerful that is, if you guys are unaware of that. Just want to point that out to you guys. So we're right here on this listing, okay? The story of Easter. You can illustrate it. Christian faith-based story of Easter for kids 8+. The look inside feature, you can see it's already enabled. Sometimes it takes a little bit for it to be live. But you can actually, you know, if you come over here, I'm going to put this down below in the description. If you come over here, you're going to see, you know, all that information. You can see exactly how he did everything, which is freaking awesome. Okay, price point, he has it at $6.99 for a paperback, right? Roughly around like the normal price range, right? You'll see people mess with the pricing. Okay, it's all a test at the end of the day. It's what works for you. You can see his brand name right here. If you click on that, you'll see all that information right there. Still a newer book. I'm not sure if he added it to his author page yet, which I'm pretty sure he will do that. You can see, this is a cool thing. Okay, so I know him, so you can see that he's using the following that he has to drive traffic to his book, which is really awesome. Okay, because he's built that up. You know, he's an artist. He works at this, and that's what he should do. Okay, he's talented. Like, use that to his advantage. Okay, and this, you're like, okay, but what if I don't have that? This is something that you have to figure out and work at. Okay, if you figure this out and work at it, either build your own audience. Okay, if you don't have nothing, build your own audience. You can create like a Facebook fan page. You can create a Facebook group. You can create a TikTok, Pinterest. TikTok is big right now. Very powerful platform to be on right now. Okay, the organic reach is amazing. Okay, there's a ton of different ways that you can do this. Just figure it out what you're gonna do. Create content for an audience. Put a year's worth into this. Okay, if you put a year's work into building an audience, okay, it's gonna grow. Okay, and you're gonna learn. You're gonna learn a lot. Okay, you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. You don't have to do that. Okay, you just create content that they enjoy and that they want, and just keep them coming back. Okay, so there's a ton of different ways that you can do that. Okay, just don't like hold yourself down because I don't have an audience. I don't know how to do that. You need to figure that out. Okay, first and foremost, figure that out. But you can see with the sales that he's cranking in, he's ranking. This book is ranking. It's starting to rank. So when it starts to rank on Amazon, that means he's gonna get traffic. Okay, which is very powerful because once you start to rank on Amazon, it stays up there forever, right? As long as Amazon is still doing its thing. You come down here, it's a 91-page book. Okay, 6x9. BSR is 300K right now, but it's fluctuating, as you can see, 67K, and then it goes up, and then it drops down to 129, 170. It's going up 170. Then you can see right here, right as of right now, it's 300K BSR on books. Which is really good, right? If you're not unaware, books is when it comes to categories, it's the biggest category on Amazon. Okay, which is really awesome. So it's freaking awesome to see what he's doing, and he's pushing his own traffic. The description, you can see everything that he did in here, right here. I think he did a really freaking awesome job at this. Good job. Keep up the work. I think I'm just excited for his next book and him to keep pushing this, because he tells me a lot when it comes to this, and he shares a lot of good stuff with me, and I really appreciate that, Drew. Keep going, keep doing what you're doing, keep pushing it. Right? You already, you have everything that it takes to be successful with KDP. And my insight and my input on this is, put your workflow in place, put your system in place, and to start getting stuff out there that people want. That's what you need to do. Okay. You need to show people what your talent. Okay. And everything else will come. Everything else, the money, the sales, all that stuff will come, but you just got to keep working at it, get more books up. Like example, this is a good book. Keep it going. Keep creating more books. Create 100 of these books, and see where you're at the end of everything. Okay, 100 books, or put a goal, whatever it is your goal is, and then come back at this and see, okay, how's everything doing? How is from day one when I started, what I'm doing here, and so on and so forth. So thank you for sharing this. If anyone wants me to review one of their books like this, send me over a link. Okay, I'll make a purchase and I'll do a review of another book. And my goal behind this is just to help you guys, the audience, out, and help you guys as a community make your first sale on KDP, and just give you an insight on how you're going to keep growing. Okay, so that's my insight with this right here. He already has, he has everything. He has everything. He just has to create different types of books, or whatever way he's going with this. He has to do more of it and just get it out there. Okay, because people will start purchasing as he did on Facebook when he shared it. Everyone's like, hey, I'll buy it. I'm like, hey, let me make a purchase and make a YouTube video out of this. Let's get this going. So if you guys want to learn how to publish books on KDP, watch this video right here. And if you guys enjoy this type of content, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and peace.